Hello everyone, and welcome to the first lecture in our series on software testing with Java. I'm Nathaniel, and in this series we'll be exploring the fundamentals of Java, diving into object-oriented programming, and finally mastering software testing using JUnit framework. Let's kick things off by addressing the question, what is Java? Java is basically a versatile object-oriented programming language that has been a mainstay in the software development world for decades. It's known for its portability, reliability, and security features. Java is widely used in building a variety of applications ranging from mobile and web applications to large-scale enterprise systems. Now, you might be wondering, why are we using JUnit as our testing framework? JUnit in turn is a powerful and widely adopted testing framework for Java. It provides a simple and effective way to write and execute tests for your Java code. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, understanding JUnit is essential for ensuring the reliability and correctness of your software. That being said, about the tools that we will be using for software testing using Java or with Java, let's take a look at how I have structured this lecture series to help you build a solid foundation in software testing with Java. This lecture series is divided in 3 parts, and the first part of this lecture series is about the fundamental concepts of Java. We'll start by covering the basics of Java, including variables, data types, control structures, and functions. And this part specifically is crucial for those who are new to Java and or those who need a quick refresher in the Java development environment. The second part of this lecture series is about object-oriented programming with Java. In this section, I will delve into the principles of OOP using the Java programming language. You'll learn about classes, objects, inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, information hiding, and abstraction, which are the pillars in the realm of object orientation. Understanding object-oriented programming is very essential for effective Java programming and testing. The third part of this lecture series is about software testing with JUnit framework. It's the final part, so I will focus more on software testing using JUnit. I will cover the basics of writing unit tests, organizing test suites, and leveraging JUnit features for efficient and comprehensive testing. By the end of this section, you will be equipped to write robust tests for Java applications. I will adjourn this lecture video by creating a project that we will be using in the next consecutive video series. In order to create a project, I will be using IntellijIDEA IDE, a very well-known Java IDE. I will start by clicking on the new project. For the rest of the lecture series, I will be using this project, and I would like to name it as SoftwareTest project, and it's located in the default IDEA projects location. You can create your own location by clicking on this browse button. If you want to enable version control, you can click on this checkbox, create Git repository. Here we have a sort of language that you can choose from. For instance, we have Java, Kotlin, Groovy, JavaScript. For our purpose, I will choose language Java. The build system, there are Maven, Gradle build systems, but IntelliJ also provides its own build system. I select that one. Before installing IntelliJ IDEA as an IDE, you have to install a JDK. Okay, if you want sample code to be generated while creating your first project, you can checkbox this one. If not, you can uncheckbox this one. Like sample codes are codes which are pertinent to the name of the project, the main class, and the entry point for your main class, which is main method. So in our case, we need such kind of classes. I will create that one, and I will click on create. Great. Now we have created our very first Java project using the IDE IntelliJ IDEA. So we have checked the checkbox that lets us create a default sample code. So here we have a public class named main, and in this class we do have an entry point or a main method, which is also named as main. It's a static method. We'll talk about details of this later, but assume this is a sample code which is generated by your IDE when we create our very first project. So here we have a default one. So for ease of pedagogy, I will be deleting the body of this method, and I will let it be as simple as this one. For the next consecutive lectures, practical lectures on Java programming and software testing, I will be using this SoftwareTest project, and we'll be creating as much as needed classes and entry points and methods in the course of our lecture series.